Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. Daily practice will improve our communication skills. So what we are doing, we are practicing daily so that I can improve my communication skills and also inspire others to practice daily so that if you want to improve any skills, it can be communication skills, it can be English speaking skills, it can be public speaking skills. If you have to improve any skills, you have to practice it. You have to practice it by learning different method, not just practicing. By if you have to deliver a content, for example, if we have to deliver a content, three things which is mostly required: the starting itself, how to the introduction part or the hook part, then the content part, and then the ending. What I have learned from my mentor is that from the starting, you should be grab the attention. If you are not able to grab the attention, then audience will not listen to you. So how can we grab the attention? To grab the attention, we can use three words. First word is just imagine. For example, you can say that just imagine you are in a stage and you are not able to perform well and you are nervous. That is because you are lack of preparing. And the second thing is you can start with I remember. For example, I remember a day when I have to call to a stage for a independence for to speak something about the Independence Day. I have not prepared, so I have got fumble. I have started crying. My hands are shaking, and I end up with Jai Hind and not able to speak the content. Though I remember, when you start with I remember, then that means you are telling your own story. When you start with just imagine, then you are starting, then you are informing public to imagine certain thing. If they will start imagine, then that will help to involve in the speech, involve in the content. The third thing is one thing common between you and me. For example, one thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life. We all want to achieve success. We all want to achieve freedom. We want to free from all the stress of money, all the stress of fear. The major stress factor is fear and money. If we able to remove these two things from our life, then we have a very happy life. But how many people are able to achieve that thing? How many people able to achieve all, keep aside all the things from fear and from problem of money and problem of fear, because they face it lots and lots of time, but they still not able to manage it well. So many people not able to manage money and so many people not able to manage fear. So for that, there is huge stress. There is huge stress which is induced in the body. As an engineer, if you can say that stress is something which is pressure equal to area. But at increase, there is strain. What is strain? Strain is long time stress. So for a human body, if you continuously, human body and mind, if it continuously in stress, huge disease can be, big disease can be formed. So what is required? The only thing required is learning and preparation. If you do learning and preparation, our fear will be decreased. If we will prepare, our community will be built up and our net worth will increase, our fear of money will be decreased. And our two things, fear and money, these all are dangerous. So for that, we have to prepare daily. So what I am doing is making daily video to prepare myself for the rainy day. So are you preparing yourself for the rainy day? Are you preparing yourself so that when somebody will call you to speak something in the front of 10 to 20 people, are you ready for that? Do you have that small elevator speech with you? Elevator speech means you should have at least 30 seconds content always with you, so that you can very easily introduce yourself. It can be personally, it can be professionally, because somehow not everywhere you have to introduce it in personal professional manner. You should have also able to introduce it in personal manner. So you should have a ready 30-second elevator speech with you that you need to practice. You should have a 2 to 5 minutes content of your own introduction, that is professional. One professional 2 to 3 minutes introduction, one 30-second elevator speech. That's all should be ready with you. And also you should be able to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes without any content, without any preparation, because you are preparing daily, so that if suddenly somebody call you and say that yes, speak something, you should able to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes. So what I am telling is all that thing which I have learned from different mentors, that these skills and technique, this preparation will help you to prepare for that rainy day, prepare for the difficult time when you could be in stress or fear. So that to avoid that stress and fear, you should use some tools and technique and daily preparations. Daily preparation will be help you to improve this thing, and you will be acquainted with your subconscious mind, so that you are in a flow state even if you do not know that you have to come to stage and speak something. So these all things I have learned from mentors. One thing I am telling that introduction you can use these things, and when you are delivering the content, you should try to deliver in a 3 stage. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, or step 1, step 2, step 3. If you are providing a solution or you are giving some information, then you can say that I will give you 3 steps, so that by the 3 steps you can able to get all the things you want to know, because 2 is less and 4 is more than enough. So 3 is a magical number which will help you to achieve the way you want to influence people. So introduce yourself in these techniques and use this 3 power of 3, which will help you. And when you are using the 3, there is some other technique also which I will going to explain in the next video. And also in the next video I am going to explain the end part. So continuously I am learning from different mentors how to improve English speaking skills, public speaking skills, how to practice it, how to make video well, how to be in the center of the camera, because if you are in the center of camera, it will help you to look better. And the same thing, when you are on the center of the camera, you should also look at the camera. You should not look your own face. And other thing is the lighting part. For that, I am giving all the equipments which I am using for the mic on or ring light. And if you want to use the green screen for the background change, it is also available in my description box. So you can use all the items, and I will highly recommend that from my different mentors, that the strangest secret of Yale Nightingale, which video I have given in description box, listen daily. If you listen daily the strangest secret of Yale Nightingale, then your positive thinking will be increased and our negative thinking will be decreased. You will be conscious about your thinking, because repeatedly it has been told that we are what we think about. So if we will avoid all the negative thinkings and will if we listen all the affirmations, read all the affirmations, start thinking positively, create thinking, set goals that from after 1 month I will be able to speak at least this level. After 2 months I will be able to convince people by speaking in this manner. So by goal setting, by improving positive setting, positive thinking, and reading affirmations, it will help you to grow faster. Because we are in the world, people are competing with each other. If we have to grow, then we have to also grow rapidly. You cannot grow slowly, you have to grow rapidly. So for that you have to practice, you have to learn a lot. If you are watching this video, then it will be helpful to grow faster. It will be helpful. So listen all the content of the video. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the notifications. I am practicing daily to improve my communication skills. I am a student of communication, and also I will inspire you to be a student of communication, because communication is the one skill which will help you to grow. That is the most critical skill which all you should know. So practice daily. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.